Welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to clear the clipboard history from settings. So first, you have to go to here and then go to the settings. From there, head over to the system and then you have to scroll down and then come to the clipboard, and this is the option you need to select, clear clipboard data. You can just left click clear and it will delete all the clipboard data. However, there is another easy way to do that, which is press Windows button and press V. So this is a shortcut. So this, you see, I can see the things that I have on my clipboard. I can just delete it by clicking it here. All gone. So all the things that you have on your clipboard will be gone if you also click it here. So this is how you delete the clipboard history. I showed you two methods. If you like the video, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them on the comments box below. Thanks a lot.